Hi, Tin. Ayan, Tin. Ang lulutuin natin ay sotanghon soup. Ayan. Friend, binababad mo ba yung sotanghon soup sa water? Yan ang turo ng aking mami. So, anyway, gigisa natin yung sibuyas, bawang natin. Itong ating chicken wings. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng patis. 4 cups of water or soup. Tapos, yung pangkulay natin at Swiss, ito binabad natin. Lalagyan din natin ng egg yung ating sotanghon. So, pag nagisa natin, lumambot na yung chicken, tsaka natin ilalagay yung carrots natin, huli yung vegetable, and hindi, ito muna pala, huli yung repolyo, ito muna lagay natin yung sotanghon noodles natin. So, lalagyan din natin ng Knorr chicken cubes ang ating sotanghon. So, kahit may chicken, dadagdagan natin ng chicken Knorr cubes. Baka naman, yan, Tin. So, sana magustuhan ni Popsi yung ating dinner for tonight. Nasa office si Popsi. Lord, thank you, Lord, for always protecting us. Si Tin and Cathy, si Daniel, Erica, and Bones, our parents, our brothers and sisters, and their family. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.